Ever wondered what makes Naples, Italy so unique? It's a city where history, culture, and cuisine weave a rich tapestry of experiences. A travel destination blending the ancient and the modern. So come along as we embark on a journey through this extraordinary city. Naples, with its Greek and Roman roots, has a history as rich as its culture. This city, born out of ancient civilizations, rose to prominence as a hub of artistic and cultural activity. It's a place where every cobblestone whispers tales of the past, from the grandeur of the Roman Empire to the intellectual Renaissance. This culturally enriched city with its vibrant past continues to influence its present. No visit to Naples is complete without exploring its iconic landmarks, each nestled under the watchful gaze of nearby Mount Vesuvius. Picture the Royal Palace, a majestic symbol of the city's past, standing tall and proud in Piazza del Plebiscito. This grand structure, adorned with opulent interiors and historic frescoes, is a testament to Naples' royal legacy. Imagine then the Castel Nuovo, or Castle of the Egg. Nestled on the scenic islet of Margherite, with Mount Vesuvius looming in the background, this fortress boasts a rich history that stretches back to the Roman era. Its imposing towers and walls have withstood the test of time, offering a glimpse into Naples' storied past. And then there's Posillipo, residential quarter perched on a hill. From here you can enjoy panoramic views of the city, the sparkling Tyrrhenian Sea, and the towering silhouette of Mount Vesuvius in the distance. It's a sight to behold, especially at sunset when the sky paints a vibrant canvas of colors. These landmarks, each with its unique story, add to the city's charm and allure. Bask in their glory, for they are the beating heart of Naples, pulsating with history and culture and forever under the shadow of the mighty Vesuvius. The heart of Naples lies in its historic center. Here you'll wander through UNESCO-listed streets brimming with life and echoing the city's rich past. Marvel at ancient churches, their stones whispering tales of bygone eras. Venture into underground Naples, a fascinating subterranean world. The historic center of Naples is like an open-air museum, a testament to its rich past. Naples, the birthplace of pizza, offers a culinary journey like no other. Here, food is an art form, a tradition passed down through generations, and a testament to the city's vibrant spirit. Step into the bustling markets where the air is filled with the tempting aroma of fresh ingredients. Stalls overflow with colorful fruit, vegetables, and local specialties. Neapolitan salami, buffalo mozzarella, and the sweet, juicy tomatoes that are the secret to Naples' world-famous pizza sauce. Speaking of pizza, a visit to Naples would be incomplete without savoring an authentic Neapolitan pizza. Thin, soft, and slightly charred, topped with San Marzano tomatoes, mozzarella, fresh basil, and a drizzle of olive oil. It's a symphony of flavors that dances on your palate. And let's not forget about the seafood. Fresh from the Mediterranean, it's the star of many Neapolitan dishes. In Naples, every meal is a celebration of flavors and traditions. Beyond the tourist trail, Naples holds many hidden gems. As we delve deeper, we encounter charming neighborhoods like Rione Sanita with its vibrant street art, and Quartieri Spagnoli, a maze of narrow alleys steeped in local culture. These hidden gems make Naples a city full of surprises. Naples is a city that can be explored all year round. However, spring and autumn offer the most pleasant weather. Public transport, while reliable, can be crowded. Consider exploring on foot or by bike. With the right tips and timing, Naples can offer an unforgettable experience. Naples, a city of sun, sea, and history, is waiting to be explored. From its vibrant culture to mouth-watering cuisine and enchanting landmarks, Naples offers an unforgettable journey. So, are you ready for your Neapolitan adventure?